Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to cut picture in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the picture. This picture is the cut, the any position. Firstly, now click for the picture. Then click for the mouse right button option. Then click for the cut option. Then cut picture is the then any position. Now for the paste, now click for the mouse right button option and click for the paste option. That's okay. Then again there's version from the paste. Now click, then click for the mouse right button option, then click for the paste option. That's okay. Then I show the cut picture in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.